Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is going to be an unboxing video, and I have a new deck. It's called the Dragon Riders Oracle, and a friend of mine inspired me to get this. It has a lot of the Ascended Masters and of course dragons. So I thought, why not do an unboxing video for it? And I'm going to be posting, this is of course on my Patreon. I'm super excited to announce that and to share more videos, classes, meditations here that I don't share anywhere else. So let me go ahead, I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. There we go, perfect. All right, so get this guy open. Sometimes they like to stick a little bit. So let's see. I'm gonna move this up just a tad. Sorry, I shouldn't be doing that right now, but it's okay. All right, so they have this beautiful dragon right here. Isn't that cute? I love that. All right, and I figure why not pull a card? So this is so pretty. All right, let's see what the blessings are. I got little bumblebees and dragonflies flying around me and butterflies. Cute. As you see, I have the stream behind me. So what dragon rider is coming to us today with the start of this Patreon channel, and just the start of, I mean, it feels like summer, but you know, we are in the middle of spring, but it already feels like summer, at least where I'm at. So what are the messages coming today for us? The insight, wisdom, gifts. What can we focus on at this time? I thought that kind of popped out. Oh my gosh, okay. So it is Metatron and Astania. Be sincere and fearless. There is no point in pretending or changing yourself for people. And this is so trippy because this is the card that inspired me to get this deck, because my friend pulled a card for me and it was this one. Wow, how synchronistic and fitting is that? Now, that is a perfect example of how the universe flows and how things are connected, even though we don't always see it right in front of us at all times. So, because she pulled this card for me like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, I'm going to get that deck. And then here it is. Here I am now with the deck and the card again. So, I guess this is a message for you too. So, here we go. And for the channel, this channel, in this community. So it says, Metatron is an archangel alongside Gabriel, Raphael, Chamiel, Jophiel, Zadkiel, Uriel, and Michael. He is sometimes described as an angel prince and the king of the angels. He is the highest angel and the most senior member of the heavenly hierarchy, after the divine source of all. He is regarded as the governor of heaven, the angel of the beginning and the end. Metatron has been incarnated on earth several times, including the prophet Enoch, and has many subrequisites. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't think I've ever said that word before. Include God's eye, God's right hand, he who stands behind God's throne, guardian of God's throne, and the presence of God. Metatron was given the mighty sword of Mithriel. Wow, or Mithriel. Mithriel, yeah, that's cool. Which has a liberating and stabilizing resonance. The message, the time has come now for you to draw on your strength and to live from your own energy. Insincerity consumes far more valuable energy and life force than you can imagine. This is why those who are insincere need to take or even steal energy from others, at the same time trapping themselves in low energy by doing so. Clear your mind and get rid of all these entanglements. From now on, live your life with complete sincerity, especially with regard to yourself. Ask yourself what you really want. The time has come to break free from inner chains that have been keeping you imprisoned in old patterns of behavior. The time to live fearlessly starts now. Metatron was connected to the female warrior dragon Estanya by the divine source of all being. Estanya is the silver dragon that bears a deep bond with Avalon within her heart. And the message from Estanya: I am here. I hold and guide you on your way, standing between you and your old habits and behaviors. Call upon me in particular times in your life. Metatron and I can set you free. It is important that your strength and divine willpower now awaken. And for this, you will need our higher energies and to follow certain practices and exercises. And then there's a little note in here. Choose those exercises that are the most appropriate and beneficial that will help you drop old patterns of behavior and resolve blockages. For example, working with the chakra system. If you have drawn this card, it indicates that working with Estanya is recommended. Visualize her, call her into your life, and build a relationship with her. She will come and energy will flow. And so there's a picture, a beautiful picture of Estanya and Metatron. And I mean, I don't know about you, but I just love dragon energy. You know, the positive form of the dragon energy, those who watch over and guard the treasures of life, which isn't always physical things. A lot of times it's the spirit of life, it's the heartbeat of life. It's those things that are the essence that makes life real, that makes it worthwhile, that makes it full of richness and quality. So what are those things, and how can we drop away any insincerity, anything that's that doesn't hold value that we may be holding on to? I mean, it could be as mundane. I was just talking to my guy about this morning. I was like, I need to go through my truck and just like throw away all these little things, or put all these tiny crystals by the river, or just to kind of clean up my truck. But I mean, I have keys in there that I don't even know what they go to anymore. I mean, I always wonder, should I save these? And I'm like, and now I just feel like, just let's clear this out. And that's so mundane, but I feel like that would clear up my truck and it'd be more streamlined. And I don't know, I feel like that would just feel good. So that's one example of, in a mundane level, clearing things up. But of course, they're talking about emotional, mental patterns, belief systems that aren't serving but rather hindering us, filters that we see life through, or we bring the past back into the future or into the present moment and project it into the future, and it just colors something in not so great of a way. Anyhow, I am super excited to work with this Dragon Riders deck, Oracle, and I'm super excited to work with it with you, and just so appreciate you and looking forward to seeing you. And we'll talk more later.